Hello and welcome to another 3-minute review. This time I'm looking at the Bachmann Bulk Grain wagons, not the ones currently being re-released, but these, their theoretical predecessors spanning eras 4, 5, 6 and 7. The standard Bachmann box with internal plastic packaging holding the model securely to the standards of today. I think the packaging is supposed to keep the model damage free from a fall of 2 meters. I've got 3 here, 39601, 602 and 602A. They are basically the same model but with detail variation. 39601 is the unfitted version and the most numerous built by BR. 470 of them being built to diagram 271 on 7 different lots between 1951 and 57. 39602 and 602A are the vacuum piped, not fitted version, 100 of which were built also to diagram 271 on 2 lots of 50 each in 1959. These were built to replace wagons of the LNER, GWR and LMS, being an almost exact copy of the latter. The artwork on these models is of a high quality we've come to expect from Bachmann over the recent years. The fine detail also stands up to close inspection, and I'm really quite impressed. All in all, a quality model that deserves more than its seemingly mundane appearance. In an upcoming video, I'm going to convert a couple of them into other variants not produced as ready-to-run models by any manufacturer. Click on the subscribe button in the corner if you'd like to see how that turns out, or if you like the content I'm making. When these first came out a few years ago, I bought quite a few as I thought they'd be very popular and sell out fast. Initially they did, but the second lot to arrive on the market eased that and I was able to obtain a few more without effort. I've formed a train here from out of the box models that look like they've come from the multicoloured swap shop, except it's me driving, not Noel Edmonds. They are in a backlog of things waiting to go through my weathering process, or I could, maybe, dip them in some brown sauce. That was a really crap joke. Link on the tab in the corner if you didn't get that. Anyway, the next video should be out soon, and in it I'll try to explain my obsession with wagons and how to make a seemingly identical set look completely individual. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon.